What's going on, guys? Andy here. So today I'm about to open my gifts. So
Where'd my phone go?
can't. So got first gift, guys.
Right up?
Chris's room, I think. Let's see. So I think I might. So what I got here.
Oh, yeah, okay.
You might want to hold the camera.
It's okay.
All right. So it's
You just put it down, honey.
first present. Got put. I think I put it right here. So what I got here. What we got? Oh, Forza 7.
Alright.
So I got Forza 7, guys. That's one. And got the boat, everything, huh? Oh, what's in here? Oh, Pringles. We got Pringles, guys. So we got Forza 7 and some Pringles.
What kind is that?
It's pizza Pringles.
Oh, okay.
Wow. How'd you know?
I don't know.
Could have been a lucky guess, huh? Celebration. Andy, happy 19th birthday. Could be from you. This could be from you, Grandma.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
I think it's from...
Man cave. $20!
You got some mad money now.
Got some money in here. Wow. Thanks.
Don't look at the card. I want you to look at the card. What is it?
Man cave.
You can put it on your doorknob.
Yeah. Hope your birthday finds you just doing what you want. Just where you want to do it. Happy birthday. It's from Craig.
Yes, Craig and me.
Craig and you, huh? Thanks.
The
Craig.
whole thing is from both of us.
It's from both of you,
Well,
huh?
look at the, hold the card up. See what that is?
It says man cave.
Yeah, you can pull it off and you put it on your doorknob.
Let's see, pull it off. There we go.
Did it break?
No, it didn't break.
We can fix it.
Yep.
That goes on your doorknob, right?
Yeah, it goes on my doorknob. Next one. Up, Forza 6.
See it?
It,
Oh, okay.
I gotta throw this away here. Thanks, Grandma.
Yeah, hon.
I better put this to the side here. Forza 7 and Forza 6. Plus I got some Pringles too. What's in here? There'll be something good in here. M&M, candy corn M&Ms. Yep, right there, some candy corn M&Ms.
Something new, isn't it?
Yeah.
We'll try some of those later, huh?
Sure, I'll try some. All right, what else is in here? I think that's it, huh? Oh, wait a sec. What's in here? Oh, my $100 Xbox gift card.
Put it up here.
Is it?
Okay.
Whoa.
That was pretty cool.
So I got Forza 6, 7, and a $100 gift card.
I got a picture of that.
Yep. Send them to me.
I will. You got 2 cards too to open
Yeah,
yet.
I got two cards from Dad. So let's open these up. Love you, Budge. Right there. Yeah, he likes to tape these.
Oh, does he?
Yeah, he does like to tape them. All right, what we got?
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, got a trading card, guys. We got $25. So it's $125 in total so far. What's it say? Andy, happy birthday to someone who's clucking awesome. Can you guys see it right there? Can you guys see it? Oh wait a second, I gotta zoom in closer. Can you guys see it right there? Good. Hope you have a great birthday. I'm very proud of you. God bless you on your special day. Love you, Bud. Dad.
That's nice.
Aw.
You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Aw, that's nice.
That is a very nice card.
And this one's from Dad and Carolyn both.
Okay.
Call them when you get them. I already called them when I got them. Oh, I know, it's a cat in there. Oh, Subway gift card, nice.
Very good. Yeah, let's see.
A $15 Subway gift card.
All right.
I'll be saving that for later.
Yeah.
Brace yourself. Birthday hug incoming. You check it out.
That's cute.
Birthday hug incoming. Have a great birthday, Dan Karen. Check it out, guys.
That's cute.
That's
Nice. You can leave all those things there when Craig comes in.
yeah. Yep.
All right, we're not very ready for anything.
No, I'm not ready to eat yet.
Oh, that was nice.
Yep.
Oh, I gotta get the game on, don't I?
All right, so this was a great birthday. So, Graham,
Yeah, so you've got quite a stash of things.
yeah, you got grind stash. Oh no, gift card. I know I'm going.
Okay, honey.
Thanks, Grandma.